Dear students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, in our last class, we discussed about the chemical classification, and today we will discuss about these isotopes. So, isotopes. What are isotopes? Number one, what are isotopes? So, in Kannada, isotopes means ಸಮಸ್ಥಾನಿಗಳು. ಸಮಸ್ಥಾನಿಗಳು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಪರಮಾಣು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಪರಮಾಣು ದ್ರವ್ಯರಾಶಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Atoms of the same elements having the same atomic number but different mass number are called as isotopes. So these are called as isotope, and it is in Kannada it is called as ಸಮಸ್ಥಾನಿಗಳು. So isotopes are the atoms of the same elements, atoms of the same elements having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. These are called as isotopes. In Kannada it is called as ಸಮಸ್ಥಾನಿಗಳು. Atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. ನೋಡಿ, isotopes of the atoms of the same elements having same atomic number, ಪರಮಾಣು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಲ್ಲ ಐಸೋಟೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಮಸ್ಥಾನಿಗಳು. ಇದರ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ atoms having ನೋಡ್ರಿ, atom having the same atomic number means same number of protons. Atoms having same number of protons but different number of neutrons, but different number of neutrons are called isotopes. Are called isotopes. So here I will write an example. So isotopes, look here, protium, I will write protium first example, and then that is deuterium, I will write 1 2, or it is also written as deuterium 1 2, and then third one tritium 1 3, or it is also written as tritium 1 3. Look here, so having the same atomic number, look here, we are always writing that is a symbol, and here that is atomic number, and then that is atomic mass or mass number. It is atomic number, mass number, having the same atomic number but different mass number. And you will write second set of example, carbon 6 to 12, carbon 6 13, carbon 6 14. Look here, these are having the same atomic number but different mass number. These are called as isotopes. And you may write that is many example. So it is, you may write oxygen also. So many compounds are having that is many isotopes. So isotopes are those which are having that is same atomic number but a different mass number. Means that is protons are same. So then after this, that is, let us see that is, what are isobars? What are isobars? What are isobars? Isobars ಅಂತ read ಸಮಭಾರ ಭಿನ್ನವಲ್ಲದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Atoms which are having same mass number, ಪರಮಾಣು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸಮಾನರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, but different atomic number. Isobars are the atoms having same mass number but different atomic number. Look here. So isobars are the atoms with same, that is mass number. परमाणु द्रव्यराशि सम इरबेकु, आदरे परमाणु संख्ये डिफरेंट इरबेकु. So these are called as isobars, but different, that is atomic number. So here I will write an example, that is, look here, I will write an example: carbon 614, nitrogen 714. Look here, atomic numbers are different, mass numbers are same. So therefore in carbon 614, the protons is equal to, how many protons are there? 6. And how many neutrons are there? Neutrons. So it is 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 means it has, that is, 8. Look here students, it has, that is, 8. Then I will write, that is, another example: nitrogen 14, 7. So it is, protons are again, that is 7. Protons are 7. So it is 7. And then neutrons. So it is here, that is, this neutrons. Look here. So it is here, neutrons are also, it is 7, but different, that is atomic mass. Neutrons are 7, 14 minus 7. So here, that is, isobars are the atoms having the same mass number, 8 plus 6 14, and 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Mass number is 7. Proton plus neutron is equal to mass number. So you may also write, that is, another example, second set of an example. So it is potassium, and you may also write, that is, calcium. So it is, what is potassium? 1920, and then that is calcium 2040. So these are also having, that is, this same, that is, mass number. So it is same mass number, but that is different, that is protons and neutrons. But the electrons are same. Protons and electrons are always same for neutral atom. Here, that is, these are the example for isobars. Isobars are those atoms which are having the same mass number but different, that is atomic number. So it is, mass number is same, 40 mass number, 14 mass number. The number of protons and neutrons are always same. So here, these are called as isobars. And here you may also write an example for this isobar, that is, here calcium, you may write, that is, in detail. For this, that is, here protons 20 and protons 90 and neutrons 20 minus 40, then that is numerate 20, and here also it is 21. So these are called as isobars. Then the third one is there, that is called as isotones. Isotones. So it is in our higher study only, that is you must study for this, that is isotones. Look here, what are isotones? Third one, isotones. So here atoms having same number of neutrons. Look here students, atoms having the same number of neutrons are called isotones. Atoms having the same number of neutrons are called isotones. So I will write an example here. Carbon, I will write its isotope, carbon 614. And then that is, and its a pair, oxygen 816. So it is 860. Oxygen 860. Look here. So what are the number of protons in carbon? 14 6. Look here. In carbon 14 6. What is the number of proton? Protons is equal to atomic number. It is 6. And I will write here that is 6, means protons and electrons are always same, and then it is neutrons is equal to 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 means it is 8. Neutrons are 8. And then what about oxygen? Oxygen 16, 8. So it is protons is equal to 8. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Then neutrons 8 minus 16 or 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, it is 8. Look here, both are having that is same number of neutrons. So atoms having the same number of neutrons are called isotones. So it is, these are called as isotones. And you may also write that is many example for this. The second set of example is phosphorus. You may write phosphorus, that is 1530. Here that is, you may write phosphorus, that is 1531, and then that is sulfur 1632. Phosphorus and sulfur. Phosphorus and sulfur. Look here, in phosphorus 1531, protons is equal to 15. Protons are 50. And then neutrons is equal to, so it is 31 minus 15. 31 minus 15 means neutrons are 16. Then we will go for sulfur 1632. Look here, protons are 16, and then it is neutrons is equal to 32 minus 16, it is 16. So these are called as isotones. So here the atoms which are having the same number of neutrons are called as isotones. So is it clear? Then I will give that is some other example. So how to calculate the electrons, protons and neutrons in any neutral atom, or that is in any ions. Let us see that is one by one. Look at students. I will give that is some examples. Example, aluminium. So I will write that is a few examples. Aluminium 1327, and you may write any example. You may take any example, or that is you may take chlorine 1735. I won't write the fractions. So then that is scandium 2145, and you may write iron 2655, like this. Now my question is that calculate the number of electrons. Calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons. So in those examples, calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons. We know that atomic number gives number of protons, and number of protons are always equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. So it is quite easy. So it is, I will take that is the first example, Al 1327. Look here, 13 is the atomic number and it is the atomic mass or mass number. Then here that is number of, first one, number of protons is equal to number of electrons is equal to 13. Both are that is 13. Then number of neutrons is equal to we know the formula, that is mass number is equal to, so it is protons plus neutrons. Look here, mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. Mass number or atomic mass is equal to, I will write detail, that is mass number is equal to, so it is number of protons plus number of neutrons. It gives mass number, and we want that is number of neutrons. Number of protons is indicated by, so what is the symbol? What is the symbol here? So tell me the symbol, that is, do you know? That is what you call, that is this 27 minus 13. That is atomic mass, and then that is this mass number or atomic number. So what is the formula is there? So for this, that is A minus Z is there. A minus Z. So number of neutrons is equal to mass number. Mass number is 27 minus, that is mass number 27, and then that is yes, number of protons is equal to 13. Then it is how much? 40. It is 40. So it is number of electron, number of proton, so it is 40. Then the second one is same, that is chlorine 1735, and then that is we have, that is number of protons is equal to number of electrons is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So it is here aluminum, number of protons is equal to number of electrons is equal to, that is here it is 70. Then number of neutrons is equal to neutrons is equal to 35 minus 17 is equal to, so it is 80. It is 80 chlorine. And these two are, that is homework for you. These two are homework for you. And then that is, if they ask the question, that is the atom of an element contains 11 electron its nucleus has 12 neutrons, then what will be its atomic mass? The direct question will be there. The second question is that these two are homework. These two are homework. The atom of an element contains look here. The atom of an element contains 11 electrons. It contains 11 electrons and its nucleus has its nucleus has 12 neutrons. 12 neutrons, and what will be its atomic mass? What will be its atomic mass? Look here, students. It is a neutral atom. It has 11 electrons. 11 electron means it is nothing but its atomic number. And it has 12 neutrons. Means it is here. So it is nucleus, proton, neutron. So it is here. It has 12 neutrons. And then it is 11 electrons. 11 electrons means it also has 11 protons. So therefore, here that is the total number of electrons is always equal to the total number of protons is equal to 11. It is 11. And then that is mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Look here, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Then number of protons are 11 plus number of neutrons is equal to 12. It is 23. It is 23. So therefore, here that is this. The atom of an element contains 11 electrons and its nucleus has 12 electrons. What will be its atomic mass? Its atomic mass will be that is 23. It is atomic mass. It is 23. You may write that is here that is. You may also write like this that is A. Then that is 11, 23. So it is a symbol, and then that is it is nothing but the example of sodium. And in our next class we will discuss about that is how to calculate the electrons, protons and neutrons in charged particles. So thank you.